storage unit. Now what do you mean by storage unit? Storage unit where we can store data, where we can store data. A unit where we can store data. Okay. Now how and where we can store data? We can store data in hard disk. We can store data in pen drives. We can store data in CD, DVD, or etc. Now how you can classify the data? How you can classify the devices according to storage unit? So there are some storage unit. One is portable, or second one is non-portable. We have two types of storage unit. One is portable and second one is non-portable. Portable means which we can easily move from one place to another. Clear? Vishant, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Non-portable means the device which are fixed in your computer. So now classify these two. Now which are fixed means, suppose if you want to take your hard disk, so easily you can remove from your computer and you can get it. So that is non-portable. If you have pen drive, that is non-portable. If you have ROM, that is what? Sorry, the pen drive is portable and your ROM is non-portable. Clear? So now you come to your first storage device, that is hard disk. Hard disk. So what do you mean by hard disk? Hard disk is a memory storage information. A hard disk is a device where we can store data. A hard disk is a place where we can store data. Clear? Now, how and where? In a hard disk we have one platter. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Platter. In hard disk we have one platter which already divided into subtracts or sectors. Okay, clear? Subtracts and sectors. The hard disk divided into tracks and sectors. Now how you can store data? This is your hard disk formation. Here we have one knob to access information from this platter. दिखाई दे रहा है हार्ड डिस्क दिखाई दे रही है. Now how you can read the data? Whenever your hard disk will connect with electricity, automatically this platter will move. It will move from one place it will rotate, and this knob will move here and there in hard disk and you will get your data. कैसा बना हुआ होगा देखो, इस तरह से हार्ड डिस्क के प्रोफॉर्मा होता है. There is one spindle in between. Now we have one laser beams through which we can get the information from hard disk, or we can save the information on hard disk. Now next is compact disk. Next storage device is CD. So CD is what? CD is what? CD is one storage device. You can write compact disk. CD is what? The full form of CD is compact disk. Now, how we can store data and what is the structure of CD? So there are three types of CDs you will get. One is CDR. CDR means compact disk read only. Compact disk read only. CD-ROM, a place where you can insert your CD, that is CD-ROM, where you can insert and you can get the data. तुमने देखा होगा ना CD ड्राइव देखी है तरनप्रीत? CD ड्राइव देखी है? तो CD ड्राइव के अंदर हम जब CD पुट करते हैं then you will get your data, ठीक है, और वो रन होना शुरू हो जाती है. So that first is your CD-ROM where you can insert your CD. Second one is your CDR. CDR means CD read only. Read only means if you write your CD once, you can read. Third one is CD R/W. It means CD read or write. You can write as well as you can read the data. Clear? In CD/RW, compact disk read and write, it means here you can read as well as you can write multiple times. Now next is the structure of CD. The structure of CD. CD looks like same your hard disk platter, but the structure of CD is different. It look like this. दिखाई दे रहा है? उसके अंदर और इसके अंदर कुछ डिफरेंस दिखाई दे रहा है? विशांत?
Yes, sir.
देखो, उसके अंदर ट्रैक्स बने हुए होते हैं, ऐसा बना हुआ होता है ट्रैक, ठीक है, मगर इसके अंदर स्पिन कर रहा है वो, एक सेंटर पॉइंट से स्पिन करना शुरू हो गया और CD फॉर्मेशन हो गई. नाउ देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन CD एंड DVD. DVD इज व्हाट? व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ DVD? तरनप्रीत, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय DVD?
I don't know.
DVD, विशांत, what do you mean by DVD? Dual versatile disk. Dual versatile disk. Now, in computer, how you will store your data? In computer, you can store data like this: 0 and 1, 0 and 1, 0 and 1. इस तरह के आपके स्ट्रक्चर बना हुआ होगा, ठीक है. Now, in CD, you can write your data in one position. Always you can write your data in one position. One position में कैसे? जैसे लेजर बीम आएगी कुछ डेटा लेके, it will fill this gap. क्लियर है? ये इस गैप को फिल करना शुरू हो जाएगा. क्लियर? और हमारी सीडी राइट हो जाती है। सीडी राइट कहाँ से होना शुरू होती है? यहाँ सेंटर पॉइंट से राइट होना शुरू होती है, इसलिए वो यहाँ पर ब्लैक कलर ऐसे दिखाई देना शुरू हो जाता है कि हमारी सीडी इतनी भर चुकी है। हो गया क्लियर? नाउ व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन सीडी एंड डीवीडी? बोथ आर सेम, द साइज वाइज both are same, but what is the difference? The difference between the CD and DVD, in CD these gaps 0 and 1 position is more, ऐसा होगा, बहुत दूर दूर होंगे, ठीक है। in CD you will find these 1 gaps, ऐसा मिलेगा आपको, देखो क्लियर? ये पोजीशन है सीडी के लिए, सीडी में इस तरह से गैप मिलेगा। और डीवीडी में क्या होगा? डीवीडी में बहुत ज्यादा पास पास होते हैं, पास पास मींस ये कुछ ऐसा होगा, यानी ये जो गैप 0 वाला पोजीशन है ये बहुत ज्यादा पास में होगा। तो जब गैप कम होगा तो देन यू कैन स्टोर मोर डेटा इन कंपेयर टू सीडी। क्लियर? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now next topic, DVD. So this is your structure of CD as well as DVD. Now come to your DVD. DVD full form is dual versatile disc. Dual versatile disc. Now in DVD also we have 3 parts. One is DVD-ROM. Second one is DVD-R, and third one is DVD-R/W, RW. Clear? So now we have 3 things in DVD: DVD-ROM, DVD-R, and DVD-RW. Now next memory device is your flash device. Flash device. So what do you mean by flash device or flash memory? बोलो, what do you mean by flash memory? Flash memory क्या होती है? तरनप्रीत, what do you mean by flash memory? एक एग्जांपल बताओ। फ्लैश मेमोरी, कनुप्रिया, विशांत, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय फ्लैश मेमोरी डिवाइस? कोई एग्जांपल फ्लैश मेमोरी का? नाउ you know what do you mean by flash memory? Flash memory means which we can plug in computer and it will work, which we can plug and this will work. So how we can plug? Like pen drive. सुना है पेन ड्राइव? पेन ड्राइव क्या होती है? जैसे ही हम उसको प्लग करते हैं वो क्या करता है? रन होना शुरू हो जाता है ऑटोमेटिकली। यू विल फाइंड योर फोल्डर्स एंड फाइल्स। सो व्हाट आर फ्लैश मेमोरीज? द फ्लैश डिवाइस इज द स्मॉलेस्ट अल्ट्रा पोर्टेबल मींस करीब इतना सा साइज होगा एक पेन ड्राइव का, इससे ज्यादा नहीं होता, इससे बड़ा साइज नहीं होता। सो अल्ट्रा पोर्टेबल मींस विच इज already thin, so that is ultra portable storage device which we can move here and there. So next flash memory is your, अब बोलो नेक्स्ट फ्लैश मेमोरी कौन सा होगा? विशांत बोलो। क्या दिखाई दे रहा है? मेमोरी कार्ड। अगर मैं मेमोरी कार्ड को हमारे फ्लैश मेमोरी की तरह यूज लेता हूं, देन इट विल वर्क। Whenever you insert your memory card, automatically it will work and you will get your data. So then next one is the storage capacity of pen drive. Now this time you will get 1 TB pen drive as well as for memory card. So now what do you mean by TB, MB, KB? 8 bit equals to कितने बाइट? 8 bit equals to 1 byte. Now equals to 1 MB. 1024 MB equals to 1 GB, and 1024 GB equals to 1 TB you can store in your pen drive. Clear? Kanupriya clear है? है?
1024 byte is equal to 1 KB or 1 MB?
Oh, sorry, KB. 1024 byte equals to 1 KB. 1024 KB equals to 1 MB. 1024 MB equals to 1 GB. 1024 GB equals to 1 TB. Clear? Now next is Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc कैसी होगी? जैसे हमारी CD होती है सेम वैसे Blu-ray disc होगी. Now how you will store in Blu-ray disc? The same size disc you will get, but the storage capacity is more than your DVD. Blu-ray disc. So now what do you mean by Blu-ray disc? This is a device, this is a one DVD where you can store 512 GB data in single drive. Now how it will work? In Blu-ray disc you can write your data both side means suppose ये disc इस तरह से है, then you can write this side as well as from this side also.